A healthy liver is the cornerstone of your well-being. This vital organ plays a crucial role in maintaining your overall health and vitality. Without a well-functioning liver, your body would struggle to perform even the most basic tasks. Your liver is an amazing organ. It's not just a filter for toxins, it's a powerhouse that supports digestion, metabolism, and the immune system. The liver's ability to regenerate itself is nothing short of miraculous. It works tirelessly behind the scenes, processing nutrients from the food you eat, storing energy, and helping your body fight off infections. Every day, your liver performs hundreds of tasks that are essential for your survival. It's responsible for over 500 vital functions in your body, from producing bile to aid in digestion to breaking down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. The liver is a multitasking marvel. It also helps in detoxifying your blood, storing vitamins and minerals, and regulating blood clotting. Many people don't think about their liver health, but it's crucial for overall well-being. In our busy lives, we often neglect this vital organ, consuming unhealthy foods and leading sedentary lifestyles that can overburden the liver. When your liver is healthy, you feel energized and vibrant. A well-functioning liver can improve your mood, boost your energy levels, and enhance your overall quality of life. You'll find it easier to maintain a healthy weight and enjoy physical activities. You can enjoy life to the fullest. Imagine having the energy to play with your kids, go on adventures, and engage in activities you love without feeling fatigued or sluggish. Let's embark on a journey to understand and support this incredible organ. By learning more about how the liver works and what it needs to stay healthy, you can take proactive steps to protect it. We'll explore how a simple 3-day liver cleanse can make a world of difference. This cleanse involves consuming nutrient-rich foods and drinks that support liver function and help eliminate toxins. This guide will provide actionable steps. You'll learn which foods to eat, which to avoid, and how to prepare delicious liver-friendly meals. The cleanse is designed to be easy to follow and highly effective. It will empower you to take control of your health. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can give your liver the support it needs to function at its best. You'll feel more in tune with your body and more confident in your health choices. Are you ready to feel your best? Let's get started. Together, we can take the first steps towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Your liver will thank you, and you'll be amazed at how much better you can feel. Understanding your liver is key. Your liver is a powerhouse. It plays a vital role in digestion. It filters toxins from your blood. It also helps regulate hormones. Think of your liver as your body's very own detoxification center. It constantly works to neutralize harmful substances. These substances can come from your diet, environment, and even your own metabolism. Without a properly functioning liver, your body would struggle to stay healthy. In today's world, our livers are constantly bombarded. Processed foods, environmental pollutants, and stress can take a toll. Over time, these factors can overwhelm your liver. This can lead to a buildup of toxins. A gentle liver cleanse can give your liver a much-needed break. It can help your liver function more efficiently. This can boost your energy levels, improve digestion, and support your overall health. This 3-day liver cleanse is designed to be gentle yet effective. It focuses on nourishing your body with whole foods. It includes foods that support your liver's natural detoxification processes. This cleanse is not about deprivation. It's about giving your body the tools it needs to thrive. Remember to listen to your body. If you have any underlying health conditions, consult with your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes. Section 5, Day 1, Embracing Detoxifying Foods. Let's dive into Day 1 of our 3-day liver cleanse. Today we'll focus on incorporating detoxifying foods into your diet. Start your day with a glass of warm water with lemon. Lemon water helps stimulate digestion and kickstart your metabolism. For breakfast, opt for a nutrient-rich smoothie. Include leafy greens like spinach or kale, which are packed with antioxidants. Throughout the day, prioritize whole, unprocessed foods. Choose organic whenever possible to minimize your exposure to pesticides. Section 6, Day 1, The Power of Detoxifying Drinks. Detoxifying drinks are a fantastic way to kickstart your journey towards better health and well-being. They not only help in cleansing your body but also provide essential nutrients that support overall health. In addition to a healthy diet, certain drinks can further support your liver's detoxification process. Incorporating these drinks into your daily routine can enhance the body's natural ability to eliminate toxins, making you feel more energized and revitalized. Throughout day 1, sip on herbal teas like dandelion root tea or milk thistle tea. These herbal teas are not only soothing but also packed with beneficial compounds that aid in liver detoxification. They can be a comforting and effective addition to your detox regimen. These teas have been traditionally used to support liver health. Dandelion root tea, for instance, has been known for its diuretic properties, helping to flush out toxins through increased urine production. Milk thistle tea, on the other hand, contains silymarin, a powerful antioxidant that protects liver cells from damage. Another excellent choice is beet juice. Beet juice is not only vibrant and delicious but also incredibly nutritious. It contains betalains, which are pigments with anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties. Beets are rich in antioxidants and nitrates, which can help improve blood flow and support detoxification. The nitrates in beets convert to nitric oxide in the body, which helps to relax and dilate blood vessels, improving circulation and aiding in the removal of toxins. Remember to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Water is the simplest and most effective way to support your body's detoxification processes. It helps to flush out toxins through urine and sweat, keeping your system clean and functioning optimally. Water is essential for flushing out toxins. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and more if you're active or in a hot climate. Staying hydrated ensures that your kidneys and liver can effectively filter and eliminate waste products from your body, promoting overall health and well-being. Section 7, Day 2, Hydration, the flow of cleansing. Day 2 of our liver cleanse is all about hydration. Water is your best friend when it comes to detoxification. It helps flush out toxins and keeps your body functioning optimally. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day. You can also enjoy herbal teas and diluted fruit juices. Avoid sugary drinks, as they can put extra stress on your liver. Listen to your body and drink whenever you feel thirsty. Section 8, Day 2, Rest, rejuvenating your body. Rest is just as crucial as hydration during your liver cleanse. When you rest, your body can focus its energy on repair and detoxification. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Avoid screen time for at least an hour before bed. Take a warm bath, read a book, or listen to calming music to unwind. Section 9, Day 3, Gentle movement, boosting your cleanse. On Day 3, we'll incorporate gentle movement into our routine. Exercise helps improve circulation. This aids in the transportation of nutrients and the removal of waste products. Choose an activity you enjoy, such as walking, yoga, or swimming. Listen to your body and don't overdo it. Even light exercise can make a difference. Remember, consistency is key. Section 10, the benefits of a 3-day liver cleanse. After completing this 3-day liver cleanse, you may notice several benefits. These can include increased energy levels, improved digestion, clearer skin, and a greater sense of well-being. These benefits are a testament to your liver's enhanced ability to perform its essential functions. Remember that a healthy liver is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Continue to make healthy choices to support your liver long after the cleanse. Section 11, Your liver, your health, take charge today. Your liver is a powerhouse of an organ, working tirelessly to keep your body in balance. It filters toxins, aids in digestion, and stores essential nutrients. Without a healthy liver, your overall well-being can be significantly compromised. Congratulations on completing this 3-day journey to support your liver health. You've taken an important step towards a healthier, more vibrant life. This journey is just the beginning, and the habits you've started to form will benefit you for years to come. Remember that your liver is an incredible organ that plays a vital role in your overall well-being. It processes everything you eat and drink, turning nutrients into energy and filtering out harmful substances. Understanding its function can help you make better choices for your health. By incorporating the tips and practices outlined in this guide, you've taken a proactive step towards optimizing your liver function and enhancing your health. Simple changes like eating a balanced diet, reducing alcohol intake, and avoiding processed foods can make a huge difference. Continue to nourish your body with whole foods, prioritize hydration, engage in regular exercise, and listen to your body's signals. These habits not only support your liver but also contribute to your overall physical and mental well-being. Drinking plenty of water helps your liver flush out toxins, while regular exercise boosts your metabolism and keeps your liver in top shape. your liver will thank you for it. A healthy liver means more energy, better digestion, and a stronger immune system. So, keep up the good work. Stay committed to your health,